Hello everyone, my name is Raj Lakshmi Jadhav and I am here to present a wing beat detector system using optoelectronic devices. Our aim is to collect the data of wing beats and time lapses of birds and insects, which affects cultivations and environment in negative as well as in a positive way. We design a complete system based on optoelectronic devices. As we can see here, the light fluctuations from the device is been monitored by the processor at the end, and then this device gets auto triggered when an insect's wing beat is been trapped. These light fluctuations are then converted into audio snippet time stamped, and they are internally stored into the SD card of the device. In a system, the receiving aperture is been quite large enough, which gives us advantage of capturing the full motion of the wing beat. The 2D array of the photodiode is been used instead of the 1D array, which helps us to increase the accuracy rate, as well as a thin sheet of polymer arsenic light is been used that helps to track the flying insects of various shapes and sizes. Further, to cope with the light interferences, we implement a pulse rate of 455 Hz, which also makes the device capable of operating to illuminating light conditions, like varying from darkness to bright light, as well as including the presence of the lamp. The processor embedded in the system is been constantly in the looping form, which processes the captured data by the sensors that can be further used for the investigation. And then this data is been also stored in the SD card. In overall, this system constructed from optoelectronic devices can alert from potential dangerous species in the sensitive environments. The choice of sensors permits us effortless acquisition of large number of wing beat recordings, as well as the data stored in the system can help us to predict the future outbreaks based on the past counts. Thank you.